Alright, almost ready to go. I checked the YouTube's analytics and most of you who watch my videos are from 20 to 40 years old, male from United States, so I have something special treat for you guys. I show it later in the video. Are you coming with me? What? Are you coming with me in kayak? Another day, another adventure. Today's plan is to paddle to some island and spend the night there. Yeah, that's about it. Simple plan for simple man. Let's go. It's a beautiful sunny day. About 50 Celsius. Not bad. On this journey I have a new friend with me. He's called Mavic Pro Platinum. Drone from, I don't know, 5 years ago. I bought it second hand like 350 euros, so I'm gonna get some sky footage. I don't wanna use it yet because there's a lot of summer houses here and people enjoying their summer days, so I don't wanna bother them. Swan. Alright, it's time for a break. Pretty hot in here. Look at that. All of this, that's blueberry. Blueberries are like superfood. There's a weird looking rock in there. I don't know why, but it looks so unreal. This forest behind me, it's a bigger island and it's stupid amount of mosquitoes in here, so I'm not gonna stay in here, but I used the drone to scout ahead, and there's 3 little island in there, and I think the wind is gonna be stronger in those islands, so mosquitoes isn't a problem in there. It's so calm in here. That's island number 1, island number 2, and the third one is behind this first one. This is island number 3. Oh. I'm not the first one in here. I kinda like this place, but I have a hammock, so I have to check if there's a good place for that. If not, I'm gonna check the first island. Island number 1, and ooh, this looks good. What? Treasure. Nothing. And here we have this kind of thing. I can dry my clothes in there. We have a seat in here. Alright, alright. This looks good. What else? We have a little bit firewood in here. What do we have in here? Another treasure. Hello. It's a geotag, geocaching location. Let's put that back in there. I think I'm gonna choose this island number 1. I have a mosquito net and everything here, and tarp if it's gonna rain, and I think that looks good. I mean, look at this. Not bad. Not bad at all. I was right about the mosquitoes. There isn't any in here. Okay, after refreshing swim and clean clothes, I have my Mr. Beast t-shirt on with his autograph in there. If you haven't subscribed Mr. Beast, do it now. And and now I'm gonna make some dinner. Looks pretty good. I had a salt and pepper in a bag, and I lost it somewhere. I think it's in island number 3, but who cares? It's good. I don't know why, but the food tastes better in the wilderness. At the start of this video, I promised you, my American fans, some special treat, and here it is. It's a it's a beer that tastes like American pie. Yes, so let's taste it. No. Maybe? What? It's like a first taste is too bitter, but aftertaste is it's like American pie. That's weird. You know, just a joke. Don't be mad. It started to rain, so I made a small bonfire to keep the spirit up. It really started raining. It's 10 o'clock and time to go to bed. You know, in Finland, 10 o'clock in summertime, it's not that dark. Good morning. It rained through the night, but the wind wasn't that bad. Had really good sleep, to be honest. Not bad at all. The camera. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.